city-sponsored stakeholders meeting from the City of Bowie. I'm Joe Minert, the City of Bowie Planning Director, and we have a presentation tonight by the applicant, which is Assembly Classic Center LLC. This is a special exception application 4842. It's located at 13637 Old Annapolis Road, which is in the Colonial Village Shops portion of West Bowie Village. This meeting is being recorded and will be shown on the city's YouTube channel. At this point, we do not have any public participation, so we will go ahead and allow the applicant to make a presentation, and then I will sum up the meeting and close it out. So at this point, I'll turn it over to Chris Vanden Bydum. Make sure you unmute, Chris.
Good evening again. Thank you, Joe, for this presentation. We appreciate the opportunity to give Assembly Classic Center LLC the opportunity to present this special exemption to the city. The nature of this proposed request is to obtain the special exemption SE 4842 to obtain approval for a use and occupancy permit to operate a banquet hall for the purpose of celebration of birthdays, baby showers, meetings, graduations, and celebration of life. This location, as indicated earlier by Mr. Minert, is that it's the location of 13637 Old Annapolis Road. It's bonded to its by the Old Annapolis Road. That is Route 450, and to the east by Church Road. The specific property will be unit number 7 at the 13637 Old Columbia Road. And again, it's within the Colonial Village Shops development. I have the applicant participating here as Ms. Angwe, and we will be very happy to get this permit. Location is instrumental for the celebration, as indicated earlier, for graduation. There is a high school out there by the vicinity. There's also Bowie University. So this is a good location to improve on the vibrancy of this location, where graduates can have the opportunity to come down and celebrate, and this enhances the development of that area. We do not have much to present other than we will appreciate the opportunity for the city to support this endeavor. The existing facility is now being used as a church. Primarily, the functions of that church is going to be carried into the banquet hall type of facility. The application is consistent with the development pattern policies for a church approved under permit number 44912 in 2018. This encourages the congregation of the public in a structured location for the benefit of what we indicated earlier for the celebration of birthdays, baby shower, meetings, graduations, celebration of life, and strengthening existing neighborhoods. Assembly Classic Center LLC will be functioning similar to the church. The church is already an approved entity at that location. Fortunately, the church is about to pass it over to the applicant. And again, we've been requested to provide this special exemption. Initially, we had indicated or thought this was going to be an easy transition for youth and occupancy from a church to an assembly, but Department of Permitting did request a special exemption, and here we are. So we'll be grateful if the city will partner with us and support this endeavor so that we can improve on that location. we have to encourage our community. So we are there to provide that encouragement and give some vibrancy to that location. I think that takes care of this short presentation which we have with regards to this special exemption application. If the owner or applicant has something to add, she can do so.
Hello, everyone again. I don't have much to say. Basically, Mr. Chris Badun has already said everything that I was supposed to say. So, except there's another thing that I need to address. If not, I'm okay with the presentation.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Agway and Chris for the presentation. This is Joe Minert again. I'm the planning director for the city of Bowie, and in the final few minutes of this presentation, I'd like to just go over some of the things that relate to the city's review of this application. The proposed banquet hall is technically under the Prince George's County zoning ordinance considered a recreation and entertainment use of a commercial nature. And that use is required to be approved only by approval of a special exception. And so that's this application that's under review right now, special exception 4842. The city has an advisory role in this review. The final decision will be made by the Prince George's County Council after a hearing by the planning board at the county and a hearing by the zoning hearing examiner. It's important, if anyone wants to participate in the county level hearings, that you register to become a person of record with the county zoning hearing examiner. That is the key hearing at the county level. At the city level, we have this meeting tonight, which is just a basic question and answer session. We unfortunately did not have anyone registered to attend, and so we're recording this just for informational purposes. It will be shown on the city's YouTube channel. And the city's public hearings are coming up on November 30th at 7 p.m. with the Bowie Advisory Planning Board at Bowie City Hall, 7 p.m. on the 30th of November. And then the City Council will also hold a public hearing on Monday, December 6th at 8 p.m. And that's at the City Hall as well, 8 p.m. on December 6th. The City Council will take the final position to recommend to the county hearings. And so the council meeting is the key city meeting. A letter will be sent down to the county and we will participate in the county level hearings. And as I mentioned, the county council, Prince George's County Council, will have the final decision in this matter of the special exception. So we thank you for watching the video and listening to the presentation. If you have any questions for us, please contact the city planning department and let us know of any concerns you may have or questions. And again, I'm Joe Minert, the planning director. I'd like to thank you for watching. And I did not, I guess at this point, do not have any other additional comments to make. So I want to thank the presenters, and we look forward to your additional participation as we move through the city's process. So thank you, everyone, and good night.
Good night, Mr. Minert. Thank you so much.
Good night. Thank you, sir.
So long.
Okay.